Welcome friends to our YouTube channel Rishi Padhai Wala. Today my brother will teach you English alphabet. My brother name is Aryaditya Tiwari. Let's start. A for
apple,
B for
ball,
C for
cat,
D for
dog,
E for
elephant,
F for
fish,
G for
grapes,
H for
hand,
I for
ice cream,
J for
dog,
K for
kite,
L for
lion,
M for
monkey,
N for
nest,
O for orange, P for
parrot,
Q for
queen,
R for
rat,
S for
sheep,
T for
tiger,
U for
umbrella,
V for
wine,
W for
what?
X for
Asthmatic,
Y for
yes,
Z for
zebra.
Thank you friends to coming in our YouTube channel Rishi Padhai Wala. Please subscribe, like and share our video. Thank you.
Thank you.